BITUNIX co-founder Arthur Hayes just revealed some massive news about Ethereum and Ethereum-based projects like Pepe. Hayes said that he believes we will see ETH hitting over $5,000 very soon. This would blow Pepe up by thousands of %. So if you have any interest in Pepe, or you hold any Pepe coins, then you need to see this. So what is the latest Pepe news? What has Arthur Hayes said about ETH and Pepe? And how will all of this affect the value of Pepe? Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment hashtag Shiba Inu. Good luck. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Pepe is doing on the 26th of March, shall we? Pepe's price today is around 795 units. With 5 zeros, Pepe's price is up 2% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $653 million. The token also currently has a market cap of over $3.3 billion, ranking it as the 39th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind, these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video, and this content is not financial advice. So let's not waste any time and get into it. Before we get to Pepe news, we must cover the biggest news stories in the general crypto market first. Arthur Hayes' hot take: Ethereum to $5,000 before Solana, even nears $300. BITUNIX co-founder Arthur Hayes has stirred up the crypto community with his latest prediction, stating that he believes Ethereum's price will reach $5,000 before Solana achieves the $300 landmark. Hayes dropped this opinion in a recent post on X, and as you might expect, it got a lot of crypto enthusiasts talking. One respondent to Hayes' comment agreed with his prediction, outlining the reasons why Ethereum might have a stronger bullish outlook compared to Solana. According to this user, Ethereum benefits from significant institutional backing, potential support from upcoming ETF developments, and a clearer path in terms of regulation. What advantages does Solana have, and what are its challenges? While acknowledging Solana's speed and high throughput as key advantages for the network focused on scalability, the respondent also pointed out some challenges for Solana. These include its history of network downtime incidents and the perceived influence of venture capital firms on the project. Hayes' optimistic outlook for Ethereum comes on the heels of a significant achievement for the cryptocurrency in terms of institutional adoption. BlackRock, the leading asset management company, has increased its Ethereum holdings under the BUIDL to over $1 billion. That highlights a notable milestone in the cryptocurrency's institutional adoption. How much Ethereum does BlackRock hold? Reports indicate that BlackRock's assets under management in the BUIDL fund climbed to $1.145 billion as of March 23rd, a notable increase from around $990 million in the previous week. Ethereum constitutes the majority of the capital in BlackRock's BUIDL fund, with additional allocations across other blockchain platforms like Avalanche, Polygon, Aptos, Arbitrum, and Optimism. Also, Ethereum continues to be the dominant base layer for the burgeoning sector of tokenized real-world assets. If Ethereum surges toward Hayes' $5,000 target, it could ignite a massive rally for Ethereum-based tokens like Pepe, the popular ERC20 meme coin. As Ethereum's price climbs, it often acts as a rising tide that lifts speculative assets built on its blockchain. And Pepe's price could blow up as traders pile into meme coins to capitalize on the heightened market excitement and increased liquidity in the Ethereum ecosystem. From a technical analysis perspective, Ethereum is exhibiting bullish signals by bouncing back from a long-term ascending support line. This significant support line traces back to the pandemic market crash, with notable price lows aligning with events like the Luna collapse and the hack of the Bybit exchange. Drawing on historical patterns, analysts expect Ethereum to post a notable rebound from around this price level, considering two previous rallies when the flagship altcoin surged 1,400% and 270% respectively. Ethereum traded for $2,058 at the time of writing, according to data from TradingView. The cryptocurrency bounced off support at $1,754 on March 11th and has maintained a steady rise, gaining over 20% in the past 2 weeks. Should this momentum carry Ethereum higher, Pepe could see explosive gains, riding the coattails of Ethereum's success as retail and institutional interest in ETH-based projects intensifies. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. Also, keep watching to find out the latest Pepe coin news. Pepe flashes bullish signs, but will they be enough for a new price rally? popular meme coin Pepe may be poised for a bullish rally on the back of renewed trader optimism in the speculative meme coin market. With multiple break of structure and change of character confirmations, Pepe is now eyeing a break above a key resistance level. In fact, the meme coin's price surged by 5.02%, with its trading volume gaining by 39.88% in the last 24 hours too. Hence, the question, is Pepe ready for a bull rally? Pepe's price confirmations. Looking at the 4-hour chart, Pepe seemed to have multiple breaks of structure and change of character confirmations, indicative of a bullish price reversal. This means that the meme coin has been pushing to reclaim key support zones, while finally testing the 780-unit resistance zone too. According to Blockchain Baller on CoinMarketCap, a breakout above this level could see Pepe begin a significant price uptrend in the midterm. At the time of writing, Pepe was trading at 762 units, with its relative strength index at 50, hinting at more buying potential. Pepe's short-term technical indicators, MACD, and moving averages flashed buy. On the contrary, long-term moving averages flashed sell, a sign that bears still have some influence. Pepe derivatives data reveals significant bullish sentiment. The meme coin's open interest climbed by 8.47% in the last 24 hours, according to CoinGlass. The open interest weighted funding rate also turned positive over the past 48 hours, indicative of renewed trader optimism. Following a surge in trading volume, traders could be positioning themselves for a rally, especially as Pepe gears up for a breakout above its key resistance. This may be evidenced by multiple break of structure and change of character confirmation signals. The long-short ratio had a reading of 1.41, a sign that buyers have been dominating the market. However, market volatility remains a concern in the meme coin market due to its highly speculative nature, as is evidenced by its fluctuating long-short ratio. This means Pepe's long-term bullish momentum remains undetermined. Is a rally coming up? Pepe's break of structure and change of character confirmations, alongside on-chain data, signaled that a rally may be on the horizon. With Pepe's RSI sitting in a neutral zone, Pepe is not overbought yet. This means the market could expect more buyers in the short term. The meme coin's price action near the resistance zone could determine its next direction. A breakout above 780 could see Pepe rally towards 850 units in the midterm. But this isn't the only big news in crypto recently. If you want to find out the best crypto to buy now, then click the video on screen now. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on these 1000x potential altcoins.